Here's a tutorial for an extra large, beautiful bow. Hold it in your hand for comparison. Crocheting is pretty simple too, just repeat 2 pattern groups. Follow along with the tutorial. Use color 3 lace yarn, and a 2 mm crochet hook. Cast on with an edge chain. Start by crocheting the hem section of the bow. Make a beginning chain of 25 stitches. Once done, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 7th stitch from the end. Work 5 double crochets in this stitch. Skip the next 4 stitches. Continue with 5 double crochets in the next stitch. Second group completed. Follow this method to work 2 more groups. 4 groups done. 3 stitches remaining, skip 2 stitches. Make a double crochet in the last stitch. First row completed. Chain 1, turn the workpiece for the second row, insert the hook into the stitch of the last double crochet, work a single crochet, chain 5. Insert the hook into the gap between 2 patterns, make a single crochet, continue with chain 5. Work single crochets. Make a single crochet in the next gap. Chain 5. Position for the last single crochet, insert the hook into the chain next to the double crochet. Now we've completed the second row. Chain 3 for the third row. Turn the work. There are 5 chains here. Insert the hook into the middle chain, and work 5 double crochets. Continue with yarn over, insert the hook into the 5th chain of the next chain. Work 5 double crochets. Follow this pattern and work 4 groups first. 4 groups of pattern completed. Finally, we work a double crochet into this single crochet stitch. Make a double crochet. The pattern for row 3 is done. Next, repeat row 2. After completing row 3 pattern, chain 1, turn the work and work a single crochet first. Then chain 5. Insert the hook into the gap between 2 motifs. Work single crochets into the gaps between 2 patterns. Work single crochets. If you're unsure, check the earlier video. We need to crochet up to row 11. After completing row 11, we start round 12. Starting round 12, we decrease gradually. First stitch, single crochet, chain 5. Make a single crochet, chain 5. Continue with single crochets, chain 5. Make a single crochet in the next stitch. After finishing, skip the next group. Chain 3, turn the workpiece. Continue crocheting this pattern set for a total of 3 groups. Chain 1, crochet 14 rows. We only need to make 2 pattern sets. Then chain 3. Turn the workpiece. Crochet 2 pattern sets. Chain 1, turn the workpiece for 16 rounds. We only need to crochet 1 pattern set. Then make a single crochet in this hole. Next chain 3. Turn the workpiece. Continue crocheting the last pattern. Finally crochet 1 double crochet. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is the top part we crocheted. Next, begin crocheting the corresponding bottom part. This is our first stitch. Yarn over and chain 3. Insert the hook into the corresponding hole of this pattern. Crochet 5 double crochets. Then crochet 5 double crochets in the next pattern. Similarly, crochet up to the 11th row. We've completed this bow section. Next, begin crocheting the decreasing part on this side. Because we need symmetry, this side decreases like this. This side should also start decreasing the same way. So when we turn the workpiece, we start crocheting from this pattern. When turning the workpiece, we first make a slip stitch. Continue slip stitches until you reach this gap. Chain 1 and make a single crochet in this hole. Then chain 5. Make a single crochet in the hole. Continue chaining 5. Single crochet in the hole. Chain 5. Single crochet in this stitch. Chain 3 and turn the workpiece. Crochet 3 patterns on top of this. 3 pattern sets completed. Make a double crochet in this single crochet. Then chain 1 and turn the workpiece. For the next row, we need to crochet 2 pattern sets. So continue slip stitching to this position. Chain 1 and make a single crochet. Chain 5. Single crochet and chain 5. Chain 3 and turn the workpiece. Following this pattern, crochet until there's only one pattern left, like this side. The crocheting method for the main part is the same as this, only the starting chain becomes 30 chains. Then crochet 21 rows for the upper part. Similarly, crochet 21 rows for the lower part. After finishing, fold in half and sew together. Sew together one stitch to another for the edging. This is the middle thread folded with the back part. Shape it into a bow. Use this thread to secure it in the middle. Take the same one out. Shape it like this. Pass the sewing needle through as well. Secure it in place. Now sew the middle ties part. Chain 5 for the edging. Work a single crochet in the second to last stitch. Work 4 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn the workpiece. Continue working 1 single crochet in each stitch for 4 single crochets. Repeat the pattern until the 15th row. Fifteenth row completed. Work a round of single crochets around the entire piece. Pay attention, there are 4 corners. Work 3 single crochets at each of the 4 corners. Then sew together on the back loop. This way, our oversized bow is completed.